So how to change the email address on your Wise account. So to change your email address on Wise, if you open up the Wise app, you just want to click on the profile section at the top right here. Then once you've clicked on the profile section, you just want to scroll down to settings and click on personal details. Then once you've clicked on personal details, you should see the email address associated with your account here. And to go ahead and change it, you just want to click it. Then once you've clicked on your email, you can then go ahead and change it to your preferred email right here. Then once you've done that, you'll then just be asked to verify your email address. So you just want to open up your email and accept the verification. And once you've accepted the verification, your email address has now been changed on Wise. And if you go back to your personal details, you should see your new email address right here. And it's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.